Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common issue many of you might face: how to fix Samsung soundbar remote not working. A malfunctioning remote can be frustrating, especially when you're ready to relax and enjoy your favorite shows or movie. But don't worry, it's often a quick fix. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So let's get started. Step 1. Check the batteries. The most common cause of a non-working remote is as simple as dead batteries. Start by removing the batteries from your Samsung soundbar remote and check for any corrosion or leakage. Replace them with fresh, high-quality batteries, ensuring they're inserted correctly with the positive and negative ends aligned. After replacing the batteries, try using the remote again to see if it resolves the issue. Step 2. Ensure clear line of sight. Your remote control uses infrared signals to communicate with your soundbar, which requires a clear path. Make sure there are no obstructions between the remote and the soundbar. Even something as small as a decorative object could interfere with the remote signal. Sit directly in front of the soundbar and try using the remote again. Step 3. Reset the remote. Sometimes remotes need a simple reset to function properly. To do this, remove the batteries again and press and hold any button on the remote for about 20 seconds. This will drain any residual power stored in the remote circuits. Reinsert the batteries and test the remote to see if it regains functionality. Step 4. Check the IR emitter. To verify if the remote's IR emitter is working, use the camera on your smartphone. Turn on your smartphone's camera and point the remote at the lens. Press any button on the remote. You should see a flashing light on your phone's screen coming from the emitter. If you don't see it, the remote's IR emitter might be defective, and you may need a replacement. Step 5. Update the soundbar firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause communication issues between your soundbar and its remote. Check Samsung's website on your soundbar's instruction manual for firmware update instructions. Updating the firmware might resolve any bugs or compatibility issues affecting the remote's performance. These steps should help you fix a non-responsive Samsung soundbar remote quickly and efficiently. Whether it's a battery issue, an obstruction, or a need for a firmware update, there's always a straightforward solution. If you've tried every step and still face issues, consider contacting Samsung customer support for further assistance or look into obtaining a replacement remote. Remember, electronic devices can sometimes be unpredictable, but with a little patience and these troubleshooting tips, you're well on your way to solving the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Enjoy your seamless sound experience.